Hello everybody, it's Coach K with MajortoCareer.org. If you're new, thank you so much for watching. I decided to start this YouTube channel as a way to help professionals make those valuable connections from major to career, because I must admit that is very daunting. In each and every video, I do try to incorporate my over 13 years of higher education experience from 3 different higher education institutions to be able to help you strategize for success. And one of them was actually a STEM institution. And so today we're going to talk about what you can do with a major in engineering. If you're curious about your options, stay tuned. Folks, engineers need to think in scientific and mathematical terms and exhibit the abilities to study data, sort out important facts, solve problems, and also think logically as well. Other helpful traits whenever you're pursuing the degree that you will learn include intellectual curiosity, developing that creativity mindset, the technical aptitude, perseverance, and a basic understanding of the economical and environmental context in which engineering is practiced. Because of rapid changes within the field, both continued education and keeping abreast of new developments is very important depending on the type of engineering that you pursue. And in a minute, I'm going to talk to you about the different areas that you should contemplate, and so stay tuned. Folks, professionals like myself, we rely heavily on the Bureau of Labor Statistics to be able to help you make those connections, but also to find value in the market. For the first time, I'm going to skip value because we all know that engineers are lucrative. It will always be in demand. This is a major that is absolutely worth it. But I do know you clicked in this video, not so much to see the value of this degree, because I know you know that STEM programs, are highly valuable, but to find out exactly what to do with it. And so I'm going to walk you through the different types with a brief overview so you can be able to understand these. So have that pen ready. First, civil engineering. Graduates plan and maintain roads, railways, dams, and foundations. Second, chemical engineering. Graduates often work in development in the manufacturing industry. This is anything from pharmaceuticals, aeroplanes, designing materials, and creating the process for producing them. Third, mechanical engineering. Graduates are some of the generalists of the engineering world and can be found in a huge range of industries. Materials engineering. New materials or improve the way existing materials work. Electrical engineering. You work with electrical systems and equipment, and then you also learn how to maintain these systems. Petroleum engineering. Graduates work in oil and gas and make sure that the extraction of these is as efficient as can be. I will tell you, in my years of experience, particularly working in a STEM institution, petroleum engineering is the most lucrative type of engineering from all the subsects that I'm about to talk about. So something to think about, the oil and gas industry. Then we have biomedical engineering, which is involved in making sure that medical products are safe for use and help to develop new technologies within the medical sphere. And this is really good if you also have a health interest. If you were probably thinking about medical school and that wasn't the right fit, and you're thinking about the engineering side, then this might be a good intersection of both. You'll absolutely love that work environment. And then we have technical sales engineering, which combines that engineering degree with the business aspect. Maybe you could do the engineering degree with a minor in business. And with technical sales engineering, what you're doing is making sure that clients know how to use products. They are responsible for bringing in new clients, kind of like the marketing piece of the industry, and selling and making sure that you are really educating the masses out there on new products and services within the field. So folks, I hope that information and that snippet of engineering was useful for you, and hopefully you'll walk away knowing exactly which types of engineering that you would like to pursue within your degree, and then work with your academic advisor at your institution to ensure that you are able to get the academic plan that will help you with your objectives. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye.